Here we are, here we are. Hey guys, how we doing? Today, this is part 2 of turning a trash kit into a good kit. Just put the kit up on my little table. See how disgusting it is at a minute. No, it's not disgusting. Today, I'm just going to be stripping the kit, basically. Sounds wrong. So I'm going to just be taking off all the hardware and taking it down to the shell. And I'll be starting on the wrap today, taking it off. That'll probably be in part 3 where I finish stripping the wrap off it. And yeah, let's get this started. It's looking very rusty, very dusty, not very tasty. Yeah, let's go for it. And I've got new heads, I've got a spray, as you saw in part 1, like a pastel green sort of thing. It's quite, I didn't realise when I bought it, it's an ultra matte finish. Well, I'm not too pleased about, but let's just see what it's like. I might buy like a lacquer spray for it, but you know what, let's see what it's like. And yeah, let's strip these shells. All of these are off, both sides. Got like getting these rusty bolts off. Turns out they're really badly rusted, so I'm gonna have to get some new ones. Thankfully the lugs are okay, like a Roger style kind of thing. But yeah, let's strip this down even more, see if we can get any more bolts off it. So we've encountered a bit of a problem. Some of these won't even come out at all, like with a junior hacksaw. However, the wrap has just started peeling off on me, so it's just breaking off. What is mad, so I'm going to start to take that off. And then just leave the things on that I can't take on, just like put some tape over when I do the spraying and just do it like that. Just because they're too old, they're not even coming out, they're not budging, so I might as well just keep them in.